Okay, quick vertical scan. We've got a grammar question. Has enabled, enable, is enabling, enables. Okay, so we've got two present tense, simple tense verbs without an S and with an S. And we've got typical, a perfect tense and a progressive tense. They're almost never correct. Again, I'm crossing them out, even though there's no grammatical reason why they couldn't be correct. It's just that they never are. So I need to figure out what the subject noun to this verb in simple tense is. If it's plural, it will be enable. If it's singular, it will be enables with an S. So let's take a look. Sound-based tools, plural, enable without an S, scientists to detect subtle patterns in data. That's your answer, B. Okay, quick vertical scan. Looks like we've got a pronoun issue. This, that, these, and it. So the only one here that's plural is these. So I'm going to suspect this is these, not this, no pun intended. These will be the correct answer. So he carefully considers the sound an object makes before using these. No, it won't be these. That is wrong. The sound an object makes before using the sound it in a suit. This, no, we're not really demonstrating this sound particularly, or that. Well, let's check that. He carefully considers the sound an object makes before using that in a suit. No, it should be it before using it in a suit. Okay, quick vertical scan. We've got verb issues, have remained, remain, remains, are remaining. Okay, we've got our typical perfect tense, progressive tense, and simple present tenses, and S or no S. Let's see if the subject noun is singular or plural. The Arrhenius equation, that's the subject noun, it's singular, remains with an S, an important concept in modern chemistry. That's the right answer, C. It is 63X. Okay, so wait, quick, let's check. I've got a verb issue. I know it's grammar. Will be, had been, was, and is. Okay, so it's definitely going to be a tense issue here. It is 63, so we're past tense. Blah, blah, blah. American artist such and such showed how television images could be manipulated to express an artist's perspective. Today, so we jump to today. Today, Paik, so singular, present. It's not going to be was, had been. It's not in the future. Today is considered the first video artist. D is the correct answer. Okay, quick vertical scan. We've got a grammar issue. Let's see, we've got provided, to provide, providing, having provided. These are all non-finite. They can't be conjugated. The infinitive, the to provide, the participles, providing, having provided. Chances are it's going to be the only finite option. Provided is the only option that can be conjugated as the main verb in the independent clause. So let's see, is that what's going on here? A member of the Cherokee Nation, such and such, is known for her contributions to NASA's planetary flight book. I don't know, that's the independent clause. Comma, looks like we're starting a dependent clause. Which blank provided detailed mathematical guidance for missions to Mars. Which having provided, to provide, providing, no, those aren't right, right? So this is a relative pronoun, which is starting a relative dependent clause. I wouldn't use the participle with the relative pronoun. It would be a main conjugable verb. Provided is the correct answer, A. Notice it's not part of the main or independent clause, yet it is the appropriate answer. Okay, quick vertical scan. I've got a standard English or grammar issue. Having included, including, to include, these are all non-finite. They can't be conjugated. The only one that can be is the simple present tense here. That's the finite option, which means usually it's going to be the correct answer. Let's check. One species, the silverleaf sunflowers, includes both an early flowering ecotype that tends to grow in coastal areas and a late flowering ecotype. Yes, I want the main conjugable verb for the independent clause. D will be the right answer. The non-finite options do not work. In quick vertical scan, to join, joined, joins, is joining. Okay, I've got one infinitive and everything else are different versions of finite verbs. So that actually suggests to me the non-finite, which stands out, might be correct. Let's check. 1990, the California native and researcher Ochoa left her position as chief of the Intelligent Systems Technology branch at a NASA Center Research Center to join the space agency's astronaut training program. The infinitive is the correct answer, right? In this case, she left one center to join the space agency's other program or whatever. A is the correct answer.